Hey folks, Tim Newman with Soft Light Studios bringing you yet again another daily assignment. And this assignment is a real watershed moment for us. It's the last day of our second month of assignments. That's like 62 daily assignments in a row. And this, of course, is for August 31st, 2019. Our assignment today is titled Money. And they say money makes the world go round. I don't know about all that. What I do know is money makes this assignment go around. In fact, it should make you go around and grab some money. I mean, grab some pictures of money today. Let's take a look at some sample images. All right, here we got a guy collecting all his silver dollars. Who knows? They might be worth something, like $1. Well, that's what I always find. I save them forever. I take them over to the coin shop, and the guy's like, hey, it's worth $1. I'm like, well, I'm glad I went through all that work. All right, at any rate, I think the point of view here is really great. Down at table level, really zoomed in, making those stacks of silver dollars really kind of the focal point here, and then this hand coming in and stacking that next silver dollar on there. I really like the minimal depth of field here that's giving us that out of focus background, and I really like the high key lighting and the specular highlights in the background here. I think it really works well with the image as a whole. In this next image, well, there you go. The quintessential piggy bank. This is one lucky piggy bank, because I don't know if you know what those are over there, but those are Krugerians. This is like the $100,000 piggy bank over here, which is pretty cool. Again, real minimal depth of field, got some great bokeh in that out of focus background, and if you really think about it, a very controlled color set here and a pretty good nod to the rule of thirds. Let's take a look at some of our elements of design that we're concerned about here. Obviously, shapes are important. Money is about shape. We recognize money as round coins and as stacks of coins and as square or rectangular bills. Patterns, we've seen those in both of our sample images so far, and I think that they really work well with this assignment. And last but not least, everything we've seen so far has had really great quality of light to it. Remember, money is very specular, very reflective, so quality of light is going to be a critical component here. Let's take a look at some more sample images. All right, who's this cat? Well, most of us don't know because we never see $100 bills, but that's Ben Franklin. And I don't know about you, but he looks discouraged that he's going to be broken up into Andrew Jacksons soon. All right, that aside, I love this shot. Green, reds, really complementary color set there, works well. The brown background of the table works as a very neutral element here, and I really like, if you think about it, the diagonal that's working from the lower left to the upper right, and the $100 bills that are working as intersections to that diagonal. I think it's a pretty cool shot. In our next shot here, I love the close-up image that we have here and the point of view that we have on here, but I also like what I would consider the juxtaposition in the shot. And that's a tough thing to get in some of these assignments, but here it is, money and time. Wait, does time equal money or money equal time? I don't know, I'll have to ask Pink Floyd about that, but I think you get the message in this image, the rule of thirds that's here, and the really well-controlled quality of light here. In our last image, there we got the cat himself looking at us, George Washington, the one who started it all. Don't forget, money has got some really cool engraving features to it, and worked as macro shots works really, really well here. I think the monochrome treatment here, this black and white, works also very well when we're taking a look at this picture. Let's take a look at some of our rules of composition here. Balance, tonal, subject, both of those matter. Even geometric balance here in a lot of these pictures. I think we've seen it in all of them. Rule of thirds. Almost every sample image we looked at here had a pretty good nod to the rule of thirds. And last but not least, perspective. Getting down at that level where you're kind of taking that money and having a one-on-one interaction with it. I think that matters a lot. All right, let's take a look at our output specifications. If you are going to submit your file for the semi-monthly image critique, here's the specifications that you should follow for exporting it. There is an example of the file name for today's date and our naming standard. If none of that makes any sense to you, please take a look at the Update 01 video, for which there is a link below in the description. Speaking of links, the upload URL is also down there as a clickable link, so you don't have to type all those characters. You can just click on that and upload your image right to us. Last but not least, one of the most important links down there, that red subscribe button. That's a great link. Okay, go out there and find some money and bring me whatever's left over. And while you're headed my way with that extra money, don't forget that learning equals skills, practice equals mastery. We'll see you out there.